We are solving this simultaneous equation by this video, but first we have to know what is simultaneous equation. When you are given two equations in two unknowns such as x and y, they are usually have a common solution where the two lines meet at a point. These are called simultaneous equation. So question 1, here is x plus y equals to 5 and 2x minus y equals to 7. First we have to leveling this one. It means x plus y equals to 5. We can denote it equation 1, and 2x minus y equals to 7, which is equation 2. Now we have to find out the coefficient of this unknown number. Like this x has coefficient 1, y also 1, but equation 2 coefficient of x is 2 and y again 1. So this case, here is plus y and here is minus y. If we make summation, we will get the value of x. So we can do it like this way: x plus y equals to 5, 2x minus y equals to 7, simple arithmetic. So plus y minus y out, 2x plus x, it will be 3x, equal 5 plus 7, it will be 12. Now we can divide both sides by 3, right? Once we divide by 3, we will get x equals to 4. Okay, now any of equation we can put this value of 4. So we can write like this. So now we will substitute x equals to 4 to equation 1. So here is x plus y equal 5, x means 4, so 4 plus y equals to 5. Now we will subtract both sides by 4. It means 4 minus 4 plus y equals to 5 minus 4. So this 4 and minus 4 out. Here is y equals to 5 minus 4 means 1. So finally we get x and y equals to x means 4 and y means 1. Second question, where 3x plus y equals to 9, 2x plus y equals to 7. First we have to level up this one. It means 3x plus y equals to 9 is the equation 1. 2x plus y equals to 7, which is equation 2. So here is two variable, it means x and y. First we have to find out one variable, then we will put and we will get another variable. Look, in here is plus y and here is also plus y in both equation. This case, if we subtract equation 1 and equation 2, we get what we will get. Here is a 3x plus y equals to 9, then 2x plus y equals to 7. So once we subtract, that case the symbol will be changed. So plus y and minus y out, 3x minus 2x, it will be x, and 9 minus 7, it will be 2. So we get x equals to 2. So this value we can put any equation 1 and 2. So we can write substitute x equals to 2 to equation suppose 1. So this case 3x plus y equals to 9. Now we already get x equals to 2, so 3 times 2 plus y equals to 9. So 3 times 2 is a 6 plus y equals to 9. Now we will subtract both sides by 6. It means 6 minus 6 plus y equals to 9 minus 6. 6 minus 6 out, that means y equals to 9 minus 6 is a 3, and this is our answer. So what we are getting now, we already get x, y, it means 2 and 3. Very simple. So question 1 and 2 done. So no more today. Next video we will discuss more thing based on simultaneous equation. Till then, take care, keep practice, and these math are ideal for IGCSE and grade 9 and 10 algebra, and also common in all exam around the world. Thank you.